Come on, let's go. Mommy, catch the ball.
What? We're gonna shoot that. What is this?
Thank you so much for your
Oh my god, I'm gonna fall. I'm so scared. I feel like I'm gonna fall here. Okay. Can mommy jump? Can I jump? Can you have a highest jump? 1, 2, 3, jump! So high! Yeah, that's it. And then I jump with Charlotte. It's so hard. Gosh, I'm so scared.
Yeah, so go. Okay, he's the one.
Gotta be bouncing. Ah!
What you doing?
So good. I feel so great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Change the water. Ready?
Wow! That's great. How do you feel? How do you feel? Are you drowsy? Joy? This is really fun. Wow, what's inside there?
I'm scared.
Why? So we're gonna go to the zip line. So we're gonna go to the zip line. Yeah, then Charlotte's gonna try it. Here now, mommy, I'm gonna video you. I can already try that. Let Charlotte try it. So say hi to your friend. Charlotte, come on. Hold the camera, hold.
Okay.
I'm gonna hold you, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. That was fun. Yes, that is fun. Woo. We did it.
You went to the second screen.
Yay! Let's go. Where else do you want? Okay, let's go. Go, yeah. Yeah. It's kind of scary.
So we're here, right?
Yeah.
What's nice?
Yeah. Oh, there's no slide. They tricked you. It's just a stairs, no slide. Yeah, can you see my sock? So beautiful. Yeah, we're here in the garage. Take a picture with the garage. 1, 2, 3, smash! Shadow is so scary.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. So scary. Yes, smile. Smile. Okay. Let's go. Yeah. So there's a tree there, over there. I can see a tree. There's an ambulance and a police. Yeah. There's a tree here. Oh, Charlotte. Where are you going? Charlotte, there's a lot of here. There's a lot of things to be seen here. Ah, there's a huge tree over there. And there's a huge hammer and a nail. Oh no. Oh no, it's hard to walk. Yeah, it's so hard to walk. There's a huge nail over there. Gosh, it's so hard to walk. I'm scared to walk. Yeah, you might. Oh no. There's a huge nail over there. Gosh. And there's a tire over there. You get inside those tires. Come on. Go, Charlotte. Go, Charlotte. Go. Oh, I'm gonna get your ipit because it might fall. Yeah. Sayang. Go, go.
Okay, go.
Go.
Try it on your back.
Oh.
It's okay. Do it again. No, you can. Wait, mommy. You can never do it like this.
Yeah. I don't want to do that.
Okay.
Alright. So.
Come on.
Come on, let's go. There's a tire. Ouchie. Ouch, ouch, ouch.
You make it, mommy.
I think we need to go to that tire. I'm so tired.
Just take it.
There's a lot of tires. Is that solid liquid or gas? Charlotte, is that solid liquid or gas inside of those tires?
Huh?
Is that gas? What is that?
Yes.
Yeah, inside of those tires. There's somebody upstairs. Still, we can do this, Charlotte.
Let me do it again.
It's kind of scary. Is this a maze?
I go down. 2, 1, go. Come on. Now we start this. Come on.
Oh, you're gonna enter there, right? Go inside. I'm not gonna fit there. It's so small. The hole is so small. And I think I'm not gonna fit there. I can see you. Go, 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 go. Go. Gonna wait for you here. It's just for the kids.
It's a chapter. That means you need to go back. Like easy way for you.
Yeah. You have to go back. Then you have to go back. There's a hammer. A big hammer. Yeah, that's a big hammer. This is, what is this place? This is a garage. Yeah, there's a course here. Bus. Okay, this is a garage.
So come in.
Yeah.
Together. There. You be there. Climb.
I think that is a repairman.
Waiting. for? Come on.
Yes.
Okay.
So, where are we going after this?
This one.
Wow.
Come on.
Let's go. So you invite them in our YouTube channel again?
Charlotte Fabulous Friends.
Yay! So watch our YouTube channel, okay? Yeah, you want to slide, Charlotte? You go slide. Get a waiter here. You slide. Go, come on. Go, Charlotte. Yes, I'm ready. Mom is ready. Yes, you can do it. What? What happened?
Okay.
So where are we going next? What? I cannot hear you. What did...
I said I'm so fast I'm dropping this.
Yes. Going to the sand. So Charlotte, we're gonna play there. Gosh, are you afraid?
But this one to make it clean.
It's alright. You're just gonna remove that in your medyas. Your sock.
Thank you so much, walang yaba. Wayne Basket.
That's my time.
Say hi.
Okay, so the one wait, we need to talk. We need a little more light. So, are you ready, Mommy?
What? What are you gonna do?
Are you ready, Mommy?
Yes.
You have to be alive.
Mom is ready. So ready.
3, 2, 1.
We're gonna make a crab. Oh no. It's a sand crab. We did it again. Seahorse, and this one is a crab. So we're gonna mold it. There. And this one is, I think this is what? A tower? What is that?
That's one.
Ah, she got it. It's alright, it's alright. It's alright, you just play. You just play with her.
Pilihin mo sa mga game Esta. Pero yung Esta, wala ng isang ligo. Pilihin mo sa mga game Esta, yung Esta, wala sa ligo.
So, we just want to play with them, right? So,
What did you do, Charlotte?
I just said the one we just do it. So, I don't know what to do.
Yeah. All your doors. Gonna push you. Where are we going? Yes, we are going, Charlotte. Hi, Charlotte. It's your turn. Oh. Wow, you got it. You got it. You got it. You got everything. You smile at mom. Smile at mom. Smile. You did it. You got those balls. Smile muna. Smile. Smile there. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Or the other one. There, the other one. It's a sun. It's a sun. The other one is a sun.
We're doing this now.
Careful. Are you afraid? Charlotte, are you afraid? Okay, where are we? The other side. The other side. We haven't got there. Yeah, you want a doctor? Pero, you told me you want a luto-lutuan, a doctor. Like that, You want a Lego? What do you want? Hero, you're gonna be a doctor. You're gonna be a doctor. You want? Hero? Why? Like to be a doctor. This is already on. Again. 1, 2, 3. What's inside this? There's nothing. There is a... Yes, there's a hole there. Yeah. Wow. Yay. Where are you going? It's so dark in here. I'm afraid. Cannot get out.
Okay.
So tired.
Come here. Come here. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Gosh, I'm not gonna fit here. Cannot get out. You like that, Charlotte? Mommy's got so tired.
Okay, I can see you go up. I want.
Go, go, go. Yeah, that's great. Even though I'm so tired, so there's a TV here. I think I'm gonna watch a bit with Charlotte. Take a few break. Yes. That is Mickey. 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! Charlotte. Charlotte. Yeah. I think we're gonna shoot that ball. Let's go. Let's shoot that ball. I think it's closed. You cannot open it because it's closed. No dunking. It means it's closed. Come on. This is too huge. Looks like a Lego house. Yeah. And what are you gonna build? You build a house. Come on. Come on, I'm gonna wait you to build a house. Come on. I'm gonna give you 30 minutes.
How about we do something else, okay? Let's do a lot of things I can be super sweaty.
Wow.
There, because it's a big one, okay? So come on.
Okay. You play here. Come on, Charlotte, go. Yeah, you put that one.
I decided to do it, right, Mommy? So this one is not. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try one, Mommy.
Charlotte! You have to think positive, Charlotte.
After I pray, we went to time zone.
Yes, with Daddy, Ate, and Kuya, right, Charlotte?
Yeah!
Then I got myself a massage in this massage chair. Perfect. Perfect. Lola, are you happy you won? There's still tickets.
Thanks for watching in our YouTube channel, Charlotte Fabulous Wedding.